Okay, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to be doing is upgrading my whole setup. It's probably gonna take like 6 or so months though, sadly. But that's at like the latest though. But yeah, let's get into the video, you guys. So this is my current setup, an L-shaped desk with my headset, my computer. Well, not this, my keyboard. As you can see real quick, it's LEDs, yes sir, and you know, this. But we're gonna upgrade all of this, add some damn cable management for the sake of the Lord, and yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, what I'm gonna do is take off my keycaps and clean my keyboard, because my phone is picking it up, but Lord God Almighty. Let's do that, and I'll show you what happens. Okay, I am finally done, and you know, this doesn't even look like a keyboard anymore, bruh. Like, what is this, bruh? And this sounds like Legos, bruh. I mean, to be honest, this is super satisfying like this with my ADHD, dude. Like, I'm over here freaking... Like, just the feeling with the noise, dude, it reminds me of, like, so many of, like, my ADHD toys and stuff like that, and fidgets. Like, it's... Dude, this thing is awesome like this, but... Yes, it is blue-capped, if you listen. But yeah. So, I have these, like, wipes, but I don't think that's gonna be enough because of how much damn hair and stuff is on here. So, I think I'm going to grab some, like, air, you know, like a keyboard dust thing, a majigger, and, you know, spray some of this dust out and give it a nice wipe down my keycaps, and yes, you will have a nice time lapse of that. So, yeah, let's get straight into that, my guy. So I just finished using this air blower here to get the dust out that I could. So now it's time to do some wiping.
Never learn, do you? Don't get confused, ain't what you do, my heart it burns for you. It was on that cross, I paid it all, I took my turn for you. And it don't matter if you fall, my heart it yearns for you. My heart it yearns for you. You never learn. Just love me, show me you can.
Now that my keyboard and my keybinds are done, now I'm gonna get a bucket of water with soap and clean off every single keycap, like every single one. And yeah, next after that, we're gonna get to some cable management, or not, I don't know really, but that's what I want to do next. So yeah, let's get into it. One mistake I made that I want to point out is I forgot to put the keycaps in first for the soap and the water. So now this is very bad because now I have to pick up all the keys without trying to drop them and put them into the damn stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Let's do this. So I decided to use the hat transfer method. So yeah, let's get in here. I'm sorry if there is noise in the background. My parents are watching a movie. So first things first though, can someone please in the comments tell me if I'm doing this right? I have soapy water here, and I'm just gonna clean them by hand. Are you supposed to do it that way? Am I ruining them? Please let me know so I can learn. I'm very new to this. Yes, thank you for the help. Yeah, let's get into the time lapse of that.
Never learn, do you? Don't get confused, ain't what you do, my heart it burns for you. It was on that cross, I paid it all, I took my turn for you. And it don't matter if you fall, my heart it yearns for you. My heart it yearns for you. You never learn. Just love me, show me you can earn. I toss my doubt and watch it burn. My heart it longs for you, it yearns. And I'll admit the facts, sometimes I feel I'm all alone, emotions counteract. Look at you and wonder your intentions, do you got my back?
Okay, so I got the keycaps here, soaking in some warm water, just to kind of clean them a little more. After that, I'm gonna get them out, but let's... Kitty. Let's come over here to my actual setup, as I kind of figure out what I want to do in general, really, you know? Okay, so sadly, my mouse is just not working right now. Like, look at this. Nothing. Oh my lord, I'm falling. My camera's falling. Oh my lord, oh my lord, oh my lord. Okay. You know, it's... So I'm gonna need a new one. So we're gonna use the little controller boy. But what I think I'm going to do is... God, how do you work this? I'm going to go for a dual monitor setup. So I'm gonna get this monitor right here, which is literally the monitor that I am using currently, which is amazing. Get another one of those, and this. I'm gonna get this first, and then go for the monitor, cause it's gonna be a big price gap, sadly. So and then I'm also gonna get a heater, this little mini PC, and the monitor, obviously. So yeah, I'll see you with, one of the segments will be when this gets here, because this video is gonna be across more than a month. Yay. Okay, I'll see you guys to fix this cable God-forsaken mess. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to clean up this godforsaken mess, okay? Like, look at this. And I don't have zip ties or nothing. I mean, I just kind of have what I have to work with. And that's to just kind of try to hide them at my best ability. Which is going to be kind of hard to do. Sorry, I'm trying to, like... Because, like, if I could get this to scooch its way back there, you know? That'd be sweet. One problem is having that there, meaning there's, like, a huge cable mess right here. Let me get my phone cord. Meaning there's, like, a huge cable mess right here. Then you just see cables, you can see the HDMI and stuff like that. So I'm gonna need to clean all of that somehow. Lord be with me. Okay, so I don't really know what to work with yet. I want to keep my little monitor thing here, but I think it would be best to probably put this over here where it can go, so then I can have my Xbox there. Then I'm gonna put the dual monitor setup here in the little corner area, more probably centered here, and then have my Xbox over here. I think it's a good idea personally, so I'm gonna quickly make that happen. So yes, you guys will be joining me in this. But you don't have to spend hours with me in boredom. You get a time lapse. Congrats.
On myself, these people don't love me. Good thing they don't need they help. They acting so, but they just that elf on that show. I can do this on my own. I don't need nobody else. That's a lie. Look me in the mirror, face to face with all my pride. I write my problems down. That's how I really speak my mind. And I stay focused on his name. I got no one else to blame. It feels like every day's the same. You never learn, do you? Don't get confused. Ain't what you do. My heart it burns for you. It was on that cross. I paid it.
Lord, that was a lot of work. I don't know how I did all of that by myself. But my setup is already looking better, you guys. Already. Here, I'll give you a little showcase of it real quick. So this is what it kind of looks like right now. I have my phone charger coming out there, my little clock. It's on my Bibles, because, yes. I got my batteries for my Xbox, got my cat. Headphones, stand, my keyboard. Look at this. Stuff for an upcoming video. Look at this. Look under. Barely anything. Looks so much better than before already. I think it's time check on these bad boys. Okay, so I'm walking in with my keycaps. Now it's time to put every single one back in its position. See you guys then. Okay everyone, so it's been a very long day since everything has happened. I mean, it's literally nighttime right now. So I'm gonna make this part 1 of 5. So yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2.
It burns for you. It was on that cross, I paid it all, I took my turn for you. And it don't matter if you fall, my heart it yearns for you. My heart it yearns for you. You never learn. This love is something you can earn. I toss my doubt and watch it burn. My heart it longs for you, it yearns.